Welcome to another episode here on A New Life in France. You can see the property behind me that we're going to be doing. The sun is shining, it is beautiful, and we are finding ourselves again in the beautiful Dordogne. Let's go in and have a look. Well, we're now inside this lovely house. It's really a house of two halves, is probably the best way to describe it. So we go down the corridor, we go to probably, I describe it sort of like a longhouse. And when we go into there, you've got three rooms that are there, and then you've got a big kitchen area. I love that big kitchen area as well. But when we step back across those three rooms, they could be one bedroom, another bedroom with an ensuite bathroom, because that's there. There's a door you could take through as well. It's been sealed up. It's got lots and lots of history, but it's been really well finished, really well pointed through there as well. I know the current owners have used it like a summer house, so that's where they are for the summer. And then when we go to the second part of the house, which we'll look at in a moment, that's more their winter one. But when I look through here, there's lots of potential. What I also love is I love the fireplace. On the fireplace, you can see as well from 1869 is up on there. So all of those rooms there, fully functional. So you could have two bedrooms, you can have a bedroom with an ensuite and also like a walk-in wardrobe. Then you've got that lovely big sweeping kitchen with a door going out to the garden as well. Really like the way that's done, and this corridor is beautiful. This corridor here is just windows galore, looking over this beautiful view that is here, that you'll see just as I'm talking, but you'll also see when we go outside as well. So I really like the feel as you come in, and just the way it's been finished to such a high standard in here. And the floor is beautiful as well. Let's go and look at the second part of this house. We're now in the second half of the house. For me, the way I get the look and feel, that's very much the original, was the first part I showed you. Now we come to the second part, much more renovation to this. And again, really good standard. The basis of most of this house is about creating an eco home as well. So there are elements of that eco to it as well. To the side, there are two big double garages, which are great for you to be able to use. So it gives you additional storage. And then when we look at this part of the house, we've got upstairs, we've got 3 bedrooms and a bathroom. They're average size bedrooms, but again, if you're going to use this particular property as a holiday home, they're perfectly ample. When we come downstairs, there's a big open area here, which would be a sitting and dining area. And I know, as I said before, the current owners use this as a second property. Just off here then, we've got the kitchen, and then we've also then got our utility room, and that's got an eco boiler in it as well. Now, one of the things you will notice in this particular side of the house, you'll notice the finish of the plaster. So what we've got here, we've got an eco plaster mixed with straw, and that gives some really good insulation, but it just gives a lovely finish as well. So what I like here, it's so well finished, everything here is really well done. It's insulated from a winter and a summer point of view. So I really like it. Let's go and have a look outside now at the gardens. We're now the outside of this wonderful property here. I mean, what a view behind me. The crops are just waiting to be cut as well, but the view is just gorgeous. To the side here, we've got this lovely pool, and then the gardens just wrap around the front and the back. We look at the front of the house, just beautiful fruit trees everywhere. You've got pears, you've got apples, you've got cherries, you've got walnuts. There is so much out there. Then you come to this lovely garden at the back. Now, for me, I think this is the real jewel here in the crown, because this evening the sun will set just over there. So you will have the most beautiful sunset with your pool here as well. As a holiday home, I think this is lovely. So there is so much out here. Lovely extensive grounds, really easy to maintain. It's just beautiful.